This is an interesting, fluffy sort of bun that's actually very comfortable and stable, even though it's sort of splayed out across over your head. To make it, gather your hair into a ponytail at the top of your head. And then wrap your hair twice around your hand. Take what's remaining and wrap it around the bottom as much as you can. This is going to be the base of your bun. Now take the two loops and lay them on top of your head and stagger them slightly so one is farther to the right than the other. This is the part that I always get confused about, which side the bottom loop should be on. Just experiment through trial and error. You should probably be able to figure it out. And when you've done it correctly, it actually is very stable, even though it's so fluffy looking. Once you have the fork in, it should be pretty stable at this point, and you've made the bun. If you want for some extra stability, I like to add a second fork and put it in from the other side and cross it. If your bun is as fluffy as mine, it actually hides both of the forks pretty well. And now you've made the bun.